I've decided to do a video on everything. So sometimes you want a video on something as simple as a sponge. So I'm going to do quick videos on these items, give you a closer look so you get a better idea of the item. That's it. From Amazon, comes with 6. I think it was a daily deal or something. It's very, very cheap. It's sad that it's become so much cheaper to shop online than it is at the local store. And, you know, I tell you, the local stores offer, let's say, shipping or delivery, I might consider it. Just have too much to do at home to go to the store. Especially in New York City, it's horrific. I mean, if you got to drive to the store, you get tickets for speeding for going over 35 miles an hour. You get red light summonses. I don't know how businesses are going to survive in the future in New York City, but I'm not a politician, so I don't know. So it's just better and cheaper to stay home in New York City than to go out, because then you're paying $3 for trains and that never come and all that other stuff. So it's just my opinion. Don't mean anything. So anyway, these are the sponges. They come in a curvy thing. Let's just measure them. This is going to be a quick video. They're just going to work. I tell you, I've used them in the past and they work. They clean the dishes. They last a long time. So they're 4.5 inches. It comes with 6. All right, I hope this video helps. Thank you. Bye.